Good morning. It's showing day. No, wait, it's not. It's realty picture day. Good morning. The floor is creaking. Good morning. It is realty photo day and we're a little behind. It's kind of chaos, but it will get ready. We got a helper doing his laundry over there. I've got a big helper moving furniture.
Watch it, it's my dad.
Cody's just being cute. So not only do I have to kick into gear to get the house tidied up, but we're staging things. So I'm going to share with you several tips that the realtor said would really help, actually a professional stager who came with the realty package, but also things that I've been learning through shows like Unsellables, as well as just some reading online. So first of all, you can see I'm here in the kitchen, and through my decluttering journey, you have seen that I've become more bold in clearing off my countertops. First, the utensils went into a drawer a couple years ago, and I really liked that. And then I've gradually reduced down from having a fruit wire basket, as well as a snack basket over here, gone. So that's great for showing too. But something that I was surprised is that this decor up here, I feel like it was tastefully placed. I felt like that was pretty minimal. The professional stager said that really, because of the subconscious suggestion to the potential buyers that maybe you don't have enough storage in your house. Decluttering is the very first thing that you want to do. But in any case, so I am going to declutter this even though I don't think it's excessive. I'm gonna have my husband hop up there, grab the stuff down, just so that there's that idea of space up at the top and your eye doesn't stop at anything. So I'm doing some cleaning, making trash cans disappear. And another thing is that there should be nothing on the top of the fridge. Now I thought before, okay, if I just have things in baskets so it's not all cluttery little things, it would be okay, but no, there needs to be nothing up there. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Something else I'm going to be doing is putting a new rug here that was actually the rug I used in my son's room makeover, so I didn't have to spend any money. That one just looks a little tired. And another thing, she said, do not have more than 2 rugs in one space. So I am going to be removing that entryway rug just for the photos, but not for the showings. So up here, I've got some things. It's probably dusty already, even though it's kind of new. I'm going to just remove our medicine stuff. I'm also going to remove these things. You don't want anything on your fridge. Give it the illusion of luxury and space. Fresh and new. And put all your dishes away, of course. They even want your kitchen soap to go away, but I'm probably going to be using that for a little bit longer. For photos, they even said to make it look bigger, don't even have kitchen towels up there. Illusion of space. Clearing what's on top, unless it's fresh greenery. And I'm just gonna lighten this up. It's a little bit tall. Let's see if I can get to it. We'll use a paintbrush. Timber. Okay, cool. Now that that is empty, I'm going to put a happy little puppy up there. I don't think I can reach up that high, so I'm going to switch these. Can probably make this disappear. This stuff is kind of busy. It's gonna go upstairs in the craft area. First, I'm gonna put these paints with my paints because I don't want paint up in a kid's room. Off we go. You coming, buddy? So fast. Well, I don't have a whole ton of time, only a couple hours before the lady comes to take photos. So I really need to speed stage things. And I'm also stress eating gluten-free cupcakes because the freezer's down here. But freezing the cupcakes doesn't actually deter me because I just kind of awkwardly gnaw on them. But anyways, so I've got some ideas to make the space cozier and cohesive. I'm going to make this dresser disappear in an emptied out closet that my husband has in his office, just to give it the more, just because that seems out of place. And over here, I'm gonna set that up to be like a reading nook for kids. So that's the plan. So you really want to give spaces a central focal point. So I'm gonna just guesstimate and put right here. It kind of seems counterintuitive when you're selling your house to put more holes in the walls, but hey, that's what the professional stager told me. I'm gonna go ahead and poke these air purifiers in there too. I need to declutter this. Gives a big idea of how much space is down here. A lot better than having that there. And it does not detract from this room either. Okay, what's in this box? Nothing? Can you recycle that?
I wasn't really planning on taking that one. Maybe won't be that one. I was just gonna leave it there.
Well, I've known to stage with nice towels, so I'm taking this down. But what I didn't know before the professional stager came was that they really don't want any floor mats of any kind. So I'm gonna pick those up. Let me show you. If you come in, it just looks really closed off. So I'm taking the curtain down, and that will open it up, and I need to scrub the shower. So I'm out taking Cody for a walk, and I'm going to go get some magnolia leaves and some other greenery and maybe flowers just to put something fresh on the table. I don't know if it'll show up in pictures very well, but plus I just want to get a little bit more energy, and Cody has been stuck inside while I've been working, so that's what we're up to.